My question is for the Minister of Community and Social Services. In December of 2008, you announced that you would adopt my private member's bill to prevent the clawback of Ontario Disability Support Program payments for people who set up a registered disability savings plan. Minister, why are families being told that RDSP contributions will be clawed back from their ODSP payments?
From the poorest people.
Merci, Monsieur le Président. C'est une excellente question. This is an excellent.
It's an excellent.
I wanted to say that this government is very proud to support the RDSP as a way to help families for children and adults with disability and to help people with disability plan for their future needs. No, we are not going to claw back the help that we are already providing to these people. It's part of their income, and it's put there for a good reason, and we're very pleased to support this benefit, and I encourage all people who have someone in their family with a disability to take advantage of the RDSP. Thank you.
Minister, thank you for clearing up the confusion, but the reality is my office has been fielding phone calls from concerned families because they are being told by ODSP regional offices that, in fact, they will be clawed back if they set up an RDSP.
That's right.
Will you commit today to notifying staff and families across the province of the RDSP program and that their ODSP payments will not be affected?
I'm not sure
Yes, I will. I will make sure that all our offices know about it. But sometimes, people are confused because there is a limit for people who are on OW or ODSP. On OW, they can receive gift or a form of payment up to $6,000 a year. So they may be confused with that. So I'll make sure that we send a note to every office to clarify that. Thank you for asking the question.